Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this fall wreath using items from the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. So to make this wreath, I'm going to use this grapevine wreath that I got from Hobby Lobby. This sign from the Dollar Tree, it says "Bless Our Home," and this little banner here is raised. I don't know if you can tell. And then these little pumpkin clips, ribbon, clip-on maple leaves, acorns, and these items I got from the Dollar Tree. Wire cutters, scissors, and wire. Oh, and a hot glue gun. Okay, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do first is make a bow out of the ribbon. Attach it to the side of the wreath. I then put the leaves and the pumpkins on the wreath and just arrange them where I thought they would look really nice. I will then attach the acorns. And what I did with the acorns is I cut a piece of the wire and folded it in half and just twisted it and stuck it in the acorn. The acorn is made out of styrofoam, so the wire just went right in. I then attached the acorn to the wreath. I then attached the sign to the wreath using the rope that's on the sign with a piece of wire. And there you have it, a fall wreath using budget-friendly items. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you later.